Uthando Nesthembu season 10 is coming. The director have to ask Makhumalo about the child that Musamseleku does not know Makhumalo have a child. He heard with rumors that Makhumalo have a child. That child is staying with her parents. Musamseleku wants to protect himself against Macele and Mayeni. Musamseleku promised Macele that he can't got married to a woman who have a child. Musamseleku told Makhumalo to hide a child. That child have to stay with her parents. Makhumalo did all those things because she loved Musamseleku. But she doesn't know that Musamseleku one day can humiliate her on television, that he does not know that Makhumalo have a child. I don't think that Makhumalo can hide such a big thing because it will come out that she had a child. So Musamseleku wants to protect himself over his wives, especially Macele and Mayeni, because they don't want dramas. Mangwabe and Makhumalo, they sacrifice to leave their kids with their mothers to stay with Musamseleku. But now Musamseleku regretting it and always telling his kids that don't get married to a woman who already have a child. Imagine such insult. Because Musamseleku, I don't think that he was telling people the truth that he does not know that Makhumalo have a child. Makhumalo told Musamseleku, but Musamseleku tells Makhumalo to hide a child for a while, maybe for 4 years or 3 years. That child have to stay with her mother because he was trying to protect his marriage against Macele. Later, Macele, maybe she was told that Makhumalo have a child. Musamseleku have got dramas, so we want to hear Makhumalo's side on season 10. Makhumalo on season 9, she didn't respond anything. We saw Makhumalo's sister was the one who was explaining that Makhumalo have a child. We want to hear with Makhumalo comes on her mouth to explain what's happening, to come clean, because sometimes you can't be humiliated by your husband. That what people are going to say about Makhumalo. People, they are going to say, so Makhumalo abandoned her child because of Musamseleku. We don't know, guys. We don't know, because she was sacrificing because she loved Musamseleku. Musamseleku told Makhumalo that you have to come alone, not with your child. But Musamseleku decided to bring his daughter to stay with Makhumalo. Imagine how selfish a person is. He decided to bring his daughter. Even that child have got her father. Musamseleku was supposed to say, Makhumalo, bring your child, and he can bring his child in Mpilo. They are together, to stay together. But he decided to take Mpilo and stay with Makhumalo. But Makhumalo was not staying with her own child. Imagine, because it's not Musamseleku's child. So, guys, we want to hear Makhumalo's side, because there is a lot of things Makhumalo have supposed to tell us. She is owing us explanations, like what she said that she can't have kids. What are those people who came with their content on television? She was up and down, go to doctors. Makhumalo didn't explain to us that she had a child at the first time. Was the first thing she was supposed to tell us. Because now Musamseleku, he said he does not know that Makhumalo had a child. He heard with rumors. Musamseleku paid the bride price to Makhumalo's family. He didn't saw that child or Makhumalo's mother. You guys, I don't understand. Makhumalo's parents, they didn't tell Musamseleku about the child. That Makhumalo, because it's the first thing you are paying the bride price. They ask that your child have a child or what they have to ask those questions, and they have to come clean. You understand? I don't think that Makhumalo, there is something Musamseleku was trying to protect himself over Macele, because he thinks he is a dramatic. He can promise Maxwell that I can't marry a woman who have a child. He married a woman who have a child. And he say you have to hide your child. And I don't understand him sometimes.